here for this story time on this marvelous Monday, the last Monday in March the 30th. Today, our book is called Big Words for Little People. It is by Jamie Lee Curtis and Laura Cornell. So with the permission of HarperCollins Children's Books, let's go ahead and get started. I know some big words. I'll teach them to you. Although you are small, you can use big words too. Big words aren't scary. They're big fun to learn. I was taught once, and now it's your turn. If you need some time to just be alone, for doing weird dancing, to sit still as a stone, if someone is there and you need to pee, then say loud and clear, "Hey, I need privacy." When mommy can't fasten the brand new car seat and the twins don't like what they got to eat, this is impossible. Mom says to us, "Please, we can't leave for school till you help find the keys." Lots of rhyming words in here. I love this word, impossible, scribbled like that. If you answer right when you spell a big word, your teacher might shout, "Stupendous, superb." And then you can celebrate, laugh, and have fun because you've worked really hard to get the job done. When you are at school and you get in trouble for chewing your gum, then exploding a bubble, and you stay inside when your friends get to play, your consequence is no recess that day. I think we've all been there with no recess for a day or two. When Dad takes us shopping to buy new shoes and all of us shout, "This one I choose." And the salesman looks angry. He's pretty irate. Dad wants us to behave and cooperate. When something is perfectly right for your age, like TV and music, toys all the rage. When a G-rated movie's the one that you seek, appropriate is the word Mom will speak. But many things are too old for you that lots of your friends may still get to do. Inappropriate is the word our mom picks if you want to watch PG-13 when you're 6. When you wait for your chance at a turn, and your feet are both hot and are starting to burn, and there's still a long way to the front of the line, patience is the word you must try to find. It's a long line for a water slide, goodness. Mixing stuff up from the kitchen to drink that looks really gross and has a big stink as our green snotted brother's nose starts to get picked. "Disgusting," you'd cry. It means yucky and ick. To understand means you know when we say, "A street is for cars. It's not safe to play." You understand cows make milk and not juice. That you don't run on duck, but you do run on goose. Okay, go play Duck, Duck, Goose today if you haven't played in a while. Inconsiderate is the word Dad would pick if you woke up Mom when she's feeling sick. But if you bought her a flower and tea, a considerate person is what he would see. "I'm responsible," you say when you pick up your toys and walk our dog Leo and try not to make noise. Responsible people try not to forget to water Mom's bonsai or the table to set. To persevere is to try and to try, even though you might want to give up and cry. When doing a puzzle that puzzles your mind, you persevere till the right piece you find. Different means nobody's ever the same. All bodies are different, and so are all brains. Different is what makes this world so great. Different is never something to hate. But not all big words are as long as the rest. There are 3, though short, that I love the best. Family is where we all belong, keeping us safe and making us strong. Family is yours, no matter whatever. We care about you forever and ever. Respect is the way we all treat each other. Mother to father, father to mother, brother to sister, sister to brother and sister and brother and sister and brother. Ooh. Love is the biggest word of all. 4 little letters that help you walk tall. Love is your family, your siblings, your friends. Love is your ocean without any end. See? Big words are easy. How well you've done. Now go off and have some really great fun. And next time a grown-up thinks you don't have sense, show them with big words your intelligence. Okay, and then there's some pictures at the end. Okay, what an awesome book today. So, some things to think about after we finish reading, okay? What were some of the big words in this book? Okay, what are some big words that you could use every day? What were some of the things that the little girl made some connections with that you can make connections with? Okay, let's think about that. What is something that you like to celebrate? Okay, or what is something where you have to cooperate? Okay, maybe when your mom asks you to clean your room, you have to cooperate. Okay, I am lastly going to share with you one of my favorite big words. I learned this word when I was in high school, and it is still one of my favorite big words. I'll write it for you. Okay. This is that word. Go ahead and try to take a guess. That's a U. Okay, U. There we go. Okay. I'll give you a hint. This word means talkative. Okay. That's what it means. Try to say that word. This word is loquacious. Okay. So if I say, my class is loquacious. Okay. It's a new word for you to learn today. As we sign off, we hope to see you back tomorrow. Have a marvelous Monday. Bye.